shit. Oh my God. Oh, finally on video. Yeah. Oh my God, I've been cussing this lock for ages. I mean, just ages. I just posted. Figures my wife's calling me now. But I just can't believe that. Sorry, guys. I really got to say thank God on all this, man. Trying like hell to get it. Real bastard child when it wants to be captured on video. It just didn't want to do it. And I know I've posted on the forum. I don't know if this camera will capture it, but I'm going to lock her back up. But, let me get behind the camera here. Yeah, I don't think it's going to capture it. But in here, this very first pin, I don't know if you could tell, but as soon as I rotate it up, she just, if I give it a bonk, just drops right down in, or just give it like this, and it just drops. It will not come back up unless I give it a tap up, turn it over, and let gravity do its course. But that's, I mean, it wasn't like that when I first got the lock, but I think I might have messed it up. Oh my God, I'm embarrassed by that part if I did. But, finally captured on video. Sorry about the going on about that, but you have no idea just how much this has been sitting here and just waiting to get captured on camera, or at least on video. So, for this one, Mark, thank you so much for the lock. It's a big, shiny lock. So, opened up the do, and